Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. In this video, we will be learning how to change your email address on NYT Games application. To change your email on NYT Games, launch open the NYT Games application on your mobile device and log into your account if necessary. From the home page, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will then bring up the settings menu. Go ahead and tap on Manage Your Account button. Now on the next page, you will see the account information section. Tap the update button right next to email address and type down your email address in the login area in the web browser. Tap on the continue button once you do that, and also make sure to type down your password for your account. After you are logged in the web browser, you will then be able to see these text boxes where you can enter your new email address. Write down the new email address you want to change to, and then type down your current password for your account. Finally, click on Save, and right after you do that, your email address will change. That is how you easily change your email in NYT Games account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.